and welcome back to Concordia for Education.ca. Today we're together exploring a topic that's increasingly important for families, educators, and caregivers. The role of outdoor play in learning and emotional health, and the profound benefits of nature-based activities for children and youth. So let's get started with the question why outdoor play matters more than ever. In today's screen-dominated world, children spending significantly less time outdoors, but research shows that outdoor play is far more than just a break from structured learning. It's a powerful tool that supports cognitive development, emotional regulation, and overall well-being. According to the Canadian Paediatric Society, unstructured play in natural environments improves attention spans, reduces stress, and fosters creativity and resilience. So, how outdoor activities or play enhance cognitive and academic gains? Well, nature-based learning offers real-world, sensory-rich experiences that enhance how children learn. Outdoor environments stimulate curiosity, promote problem-solving, and support hands-on discovery. One study from the University of Illinois found that exposure to green spaces improves concentration and executive functioning in children, especially those with attention difficulties. This aligns with findings from Forest School Canada, which highlight that outdoor learning boosts critical thinking, collaboration, and self-confidence. Outdoor play also supports or helps in terms of emotional and mental health benefits. Outdoor play also plays a major role in emotional development. Natural spaces reduce cortisol levels in the body's stress hormone and support the regulation of emotions. According to the Center for Addiction and Mental Health, children who engage in daily outdoor play show lower level of anxiety and depression. It also improves self-esteem, particularly for children who may struggle in traditional classroom settings. Outdoor activities also helps in terms of social skills and community engagement. Playing outdoors in mixed age or community settings encourages cooperation, empathy, and communication. These are foundational skills for lifelong success. When children engage in cooperative outdoor games or explore nature trails together, they learn teamwork, leadership, and conflict resolution, often more effectively than indoor environment. So, in Canada, we are lucky to be surrounded by forests, lakes, trails, and parks, but we need to intentionally prioritize outdoor times. Schools and families can integrate more outdoor learning from nature walks to science exploration to reading time under a tree. So let's support children's emotional and intellectual growth by reconnecting them with the natural world. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more insights on parenting, education, and child development in the Canadian context. And tell us in the comments, how do you encourage outdoor play in your family or classroom? Thank you for watching, and remember, nature is one of the greatest teachers. Thanks.